We're just hours away from the start of jury selection in the federal trial of Milwaukee County Circuit Judge Hannah Dugan. It is a case many across the nation will be watching. Derek Rose is giving us a look ahead of the first step of this highly anticipated trial.
And it is Rhea, jury selection starts in the morning. And with so much attention on this case, the pool of potential jurors have already completed questionnaires asking information about their knowledge of the case, their news habits, and any previous political groups they have been or may be part of. Answers to those questions already eliminated several dozen people in the process. Now, the case has become a political flashpoint in the debate over immigration and the Trump administration's handling of undocumented immigrants. Judge Dugan is accused of helping Eduardo Flores Ruiz, an undocumented immigrant, avoid immigration officials who were at the county courthouse in April to arrest him. Defense attorneys and prosecutors, federal prosecutors that is, have been working very hard preparing for this case for several months. Brad Schimel, the recently appointed interim U.S. attorney now in charge of supervising the prosecution, recently sat down with 12 News political director Matt Smith. He says the government has 3 experienced trial lawyers who are ready to go.
Is this an important case, broadly?
Absolutely. The public on both sides of the political spectrum is very animated by this case. We're preparing here for a busy time when that trial happens, and what we need as the professionals involved here is to make sure that when the outcome does happen, whatever it is, that the public has confidence that the justice system did as it was supposed to do. We have that serious responsibility here.
Do you believe she's guilty of the charges?
That's the decision for a jury to make.
Some of Brad Schimel's most extensive comments on this upcoming trial. Some of the other questions on the jury questionnaire include: have you participated in any protests, demonstrations, or marches for or against federal immigration enforcement efforts, and whether they have strong feelings for or against the Department of Homeland Security and ICE. The in-person jury selection over the next 2 days, Thursday and Friday, likely to include even more pointed questions, perhaps even in the judges' chambers, all Rhea in an effort to seat an impartial jury.
All right, a lot to cover, and we'll be covering it every step of the way. Derek Rose reporting. Thanks so much. Well, you can stay with 12 News for coverage throughout the trial. Our reporters will be posting live updates from the courtroom on the 12 News app and WISN.com.